Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can get more ideas for your Pinterest board. So first I am going to go to my profile, so click on the bottom tab, the fifth one to the very right, and I am just going to go to a board, and then I'm going to press the plus button. Sorry, no, I'm not. I am then going to scroll down until the bottom and press see more and find more ideas. And here are some more ideas for my Pinterest board, or you can just go back and click on the board for a few seconds and click on the light bulb for more ideas. Like drag your thumb to the light bulb. And that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!